Hi guys, what's up? It's Scholar85 back with another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's from Metro Exodus. So yeah, I picked this up today. Really looking forward to playing it, as I've played the first two, completed them both. So yeah, really looking forward to playing this and seeing where Artyom's story goes. So as you can see on the front, they got Artyom looking like a badass. So if you don't know, the Metro series of games is based pretty much down to only a few things have been changed from the books, so I've heard. But the books are written by Dmitry Glukhovsky. Got there in the end. But yeah, so apparently they're really good books. So apparently, I don't know if this is for all copies or if it's for only ones that you've pre-ordered, but you get a copy of Metro 2033 Redux included for free, so that's pretty groovy. So obviously there's the front, this side, focus, and there's the back, a new journey. And the install size is up to 50 gig. So inside we have the disc, we have a Metro 2033 code, and we have like a poster. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, I believe you only got this poster if you pre-ordered it, so, but yeah. Anyway, that is my quick unboxing of Metro Exodus on the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, I'll talk to you later. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.